Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone, this is my last video for the VT Career 2025. In this video I'm gonna show the work that I was working for the past semester at my work. This task is one of the most difficulties in my semester plan, and so the task is about developing our own platform where software developers can develop chatbots. For now it's text-based and in the future voice-based bots, and deliver to users very easy. So this platform's main idea is to change our licensed provider and make our own. So for now, I have done two backends. So it consists of microservices. Let's say the main one is a management API, so name it. The second one is a runtime API that actually works with our RabbitMQ broker that is used to change a message between services. Our bot itself, simple bot that can be communicated through HTTP protocol, and also front end for our chatbot. So there are some roads. Actually, the interesting ones, it's deployment road. Endpoint is, let's say, on the versions. So what it can do, and also NLP. So what can it now? It can, and this backend can copy code from remote repository services like GitHub or GitLab. For now, it's implemented with GitHub. It can copy code, it can build this code, and it can run this bot automatically in container and connect to it with our external endpoint that doesn't change, and they use it from front-end side. So let's say it's continuous integration and the continuous deployment is realized in this project. I'm going to show you the deployment process. You can say its status is pending. And let's see the logs. And it started its deployment process. Here you can say it cloned from GitHub, and now it's trying to build Docker image. That Docker image was written in bot itself. Here this Docker file, and it's building this Docker file of bot to run it in container. So you can see our bot is successfully deployed, and now it's working. Here is our public endpoint to communicate with our backend side, and it always remains the same, but the new version of bot always comes up here. So let's test this out. You can see it works, and also you can see the messages that is coming from here. It's named as event, the message is named as event, and here our runtime API. You can see here some error that our custom NLU service isn't right now working, but it successfully dispatches to our bot. So let's imagine there are many bots and it can handle it without any problem. Let's change our provider to GCP, not Alseco, NLU provider that helps our bot to understand what's going on. I have updated, and now let's try this out one more time. Okay, so for some reason it's you can see it successfully returned our intent named hello, which is stands for this привет. For some reason it's not working as it's based, but you can see that the services are communicating successfully and it's all working pretty fine. That's all for this project. I'm very thankful for seeing all this. Here are like that flow that I have write to Confluence. There are some things that I have also written. There is another service that is for intents and so on. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.